Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to attach multiple emails in an email or an email you want to send in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so once you have logged in to your Google account, go to mail.google.com to access your Gmail. So you can either compose a new email to send an email or reply to a conversation. So for this video, I'll be doing a compose. As you can see, a new message has been created and just click full screen so that you can see it clearly. So in order for you to attach files from your computer, all you have to do is click this icon right here, which is a paperclip icon, which means attach files. So once you click it, you have already accessed all the files to your computer that you can send through emails. So in order for you to attach multiple files, all you have to do is drag down the files that you want to attach, or you can also click Control on your computer and then select it individually. So once you have selected all the files that you want to attach in the email, just click Open. And as you can see, all the files is now being attached to your email, and after the loading, it is already in your email. So for example, let's type here file and then type the name of your recipient and then click send. Once you click send, the email with all the attached files or the multiple files is already sent to the sender. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!